This is Surendra Stallion from our headquarters. As per ILO, quoted in recent Times of India, the construction site at India we lose the maximum people in the world. Hence, we need to follow all safety procedures at our work site. Our construction sites are the most hazardous place to work in. So today we have our new safety officer Harish Kumar talking about the importance and the way to use our PPEs.
First, I will introduce you is the hard hat, which is made up of fiber or a shell. This is used to protect us from the falling objects or electrocution or from rain or some other thing. And also we need to make sure this is ISI certified, and in each and every helmet in the left hand side you have a validity, that means the manufacturing year and the month is available on each and every helmet. The validity for the helmet is for 3 years. So in between that, if something happened to the helmet, you need to report your reporting supervisor and need to get the new one. And also I will explain you how to wear that. And this is the chin strap, and you need to make sure always that you wear the chin strap, and also you need to make sure the 1 finger gap that must be maintained always. And here backside there is a lock, we can loose or tight by using that. And always make sure the helmet is tight, because we are working on a height and inside the elevator shaft, and some tools or something fall from our hands or something. We need to, if without any chin strap, if you look down, the helmet will go down. So always make sure the chin strap, you are using chin strap, and also make sure it is tight. And now this is the second one. This is harness. There are 2 type of harness. One is half body harness and other one is full body harness. And all our elevator industry, our work we are doing on the inside the shaft as well as we are working on height. So we are using this full body harness. This is the full body harness. This will cover our full body. And also there are two parts in this full body harness, and this is the lanyard. This is the harness, and this portion is the lanyard, and this is one where we need to put it on our scaffolding, and this is not for life range scaffolding. And this portion is a shock absorber. While we fall down, this can reduce the severity of the person fall, and once it open, we can't use that. And I will demonstrate how to wear this now. Yeah, now I wear the full body harness, but this is not the correct, because see, always while we wear the full body harness, we need to make sure that is fit as per the body size. So I need to adjust now. Always 2 finger gaps need to be there. Now I tight for fit for my size, and now I will show how to tight here. So now only 2 finger gap, see, so it's fit for my size. If I didn't adjust this, if I have fall from the height, so some of my body parts can get cut or it can be injured. So it is not safe to use the full body harness with loose. Always we need to make sure it is fit as per our body. And this is the safety shoe. This will reduce the impact of getting wounded by sharp objects on our feet. And this may be bottom sole with double layer, and also you can see the steel cover plate over there. And this is the toe. Always for safety shoe, the toe consists of steel, and also this is ISA certified. This is oil and acid resistance and ultra electric proof, but we need to make sure there is no wet inside the shoe.